So I'm really excited to do this proofs. We get to complete the proof. So they already have part of it done, which is nice. So we can see that BC is congruent to what, and it's given. So we just look up at the given, it's going to be DC. So we would type DC in here. AB is congruent to AD, and we have to find out why. Well, they gave it to us. So we'll put because it was given. So we would choose and it would be given. AC is congruent to, because it's reflexive, that's just going to be AC. It's going to be itself. And then the last one, they are congruent because of side, side, side. You just showed all three sides are congruent. So they talk about these two were given. We know that AC is congruent to itself. Therefore, they're all congruent to each other. So SSS. All right, let's do this. This is going to be fun. I love these. All right, so PQ is congruent to RS. That is given. So we get to pick here and choose given. Angle QPR is congruent to angle, and they gave it to us. SRP. Oh, and I don't have to put the caps lock on. PR is congruent to PR. The segment, we've already done this before. This is reflexive. That means it's the same. And then the two triangles are going to be congruent. Okay, let's draw. We're going to draw on our figure. PQ is congruent to RS. So I'm going to type this. Wait, I'm going to put in a little hash mark so I can see it. PQ is congruent to RS. Angle QPR, so QPR is this angle, is congruent to SRP. SRP, so this one. And PR is congruent to itself. So then if we look at one triangle, so just cover up the PSR and just look at the first one. We have a side and then an angle between and then a side. And then if we look at the other one, wait a minute, this doesn't look right. Angle SRP, QPR. Wait, I said PR was congruent to, whoops, this should be RP. Did I have to type this in? Oh, no, I didn't. They said it wrong, reflexive. This is gonna have to be, but see, I don't see that angle, side angle. Oh, I know why. I know why. Because I put the hash mark on PS, but it's actually SR. That's why. Whew. So, oops, I'm on. There we go. Okay, that makes sense. So now we have the two sides with an angle in between, which is side angle side. So we have to come down and find side angle side. And the title of this topic is proving with SSS or SAS. So you don't have to worry about the other triangle congruence parts. Okay, so EF is congruent to GF, and that's given. DE is congruent to DG. That's also given. And DF is, because of reflexive property, we're just going to put DF here. Notice that there are three sides, so the triangles are going to be congruent by side, side, side. And that's the end of the lesson.